How to fix try again later on Instagram. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is wait it out. Sometimes the easiest solution is the best. Instagram might temporarily block you for a brief period, like an hour or for a few days. This is usually the case if you have been overdoing it, like liking or following too many accounts too quickly. Just give it a bit of time and come back later. Next, check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option Wi Fi, click on the Wi Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart your router, and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi Fi, and cellular data. Then, next thing you want to do is clear cache for your app. To do that, launch the Settings app, navigate to the option General, hit towards the option iPhone Storage. From the list of the apps, find Instagram, upload it, then wait for a few minutes and then again reinstall it. Likewise, check for the updates for the app Instagram. To check that, you can close this, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check whether you are connected to any VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it. Instagram might be flagging your connection as suspicious, and this could be the culprit. If you have been changing your location frequently using a VPN, that can sometimes trigger the error. If none of these solutions work, report to the Instagram. You can navigate to the website help.instagram.com, search for login issues, go through the articles, then report to the Instagram support team. By following this solution, you'll be good to go. You will be able to log into Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.